Hello, my name is Luisa Ceballos, and I am a consumer affairs specialist at the Connecticut Insurance Department. We are here every day to help answer questions and help you understand the insurance because we know that insurance can be a complex topic. Today I'm going to answer some of the common questions we get when it comes to flood insurance. But I do want to start with a very important point, that is that flood insurance is not covered under your homeowner's policy. So first you want to reach out to your bank or whoever holds your mortgage and find out what the requirements are when it comes to flood insurance, because some lenders do require flood insurance. You would also be required to have flood insurance if you own a home or a business in a high-risk area and have a government-backed mortgage. But you want to keep in mind that more than a quarter of all flood losses in the U.S. occur outside of the FEMA designated flood zone. It is the most common disaster in this country, unfortunately. So even if you paid off your mortgage and your lender no longer requires you to carry it, you should still think about keeping it. You can buy flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. It's also known as the NFIP at floodsmart.gov. Flood insurance may also be available through the private market as an alternative to buying it through the federal government. So I would talk to your agent about these options. Your premium for flood insurance will vary depending on a few things: your risk level for a flood loss, the amount of coverage chosen, and the type of coverage you need, and finally, the preferred deductible. If you do buy flood insurance, you do want to keep in mind, though, that it takes about 30 days to take effect. In other words, you can't buy flood insurance if your home is currently being flooded and expect it to be covered. So let's start with what is not a flood. Rain entering through wind-damaged windows or doors or holes in the walls or through the roof resulting in standing water or in puddles is considered windstorm rather than flood. While flood insurance policies specifically do not cover wind and hail damage, most homeowners' policies do have coverage for this. Also, bursted pipes are typically covered by homeowners insurance, not by your flood insurance. Some examples of flooding are an overflow of tidal or inland waters, an unusual or rapid accumulation of surface waters, much like flash flooding, and even mud flows. But you should always check your policy for specific definitions and flooding details. If you have any questions, you should reach out either to your agent or you can contact us at the insurance department. Thank you everybody for watching Flood Insurance Insights. I hope I have answered some of your questions, and if you have more questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the insurance department. We are here to help you.